What's the size, Dudong?
It's gonna be.
What's the size?
It's gonna be lit.
What's the size?
S.
Gonna be. See you at home, so I'll do. So balay na mi. Abot na mi.
Abot na mi?
Abot na mi. Nya kanang mag-haul ko na. Mag-haul.
Bohol.
H-A-U-L.
Haul.
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 Magkuhan ko na ko mag-haul. Mag-haul ko na. Try nilang gi-haul be. So first one, kani nga ice cream. Is this your favorite, Boang?
It's okay.
Yeah?
It's good, yeah.
How much is this?
I don't know, I don't have the ticket with me. I think 1.5.
Ticket? You mean the kuan? The receipt. And then broth. Duha among gikuha nga broth inani and dako pa. Yeah. And then kani nga donut, €1 for 4 pieces. So, lekker. Yan na, ipakita na para hapit na ang, you know. And then this is, for dessert. Kuan siya. Is this mixed ba? Ano? Only, vanilla. Vanilla? Is it vanilla?
This is apple with cinnamon.
Apple. Don't show your abs, Papa. Yeah, apple with cinnamon. Cinnamon? I'm not a big fan of cinnamon, Dodong.
Yeah, bad luck for you.
And then we have iced tea drink. You like this one?
Yeah.
Is this the same thing you got before?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay.
That's a peach.
And then this one too. This is for me, only for me, because Ruth doesn't like chili. So this is lumpia sauce. Lubo. Okay, butangan ani eh. Anong gituyuan man?
You ready to have this one as well?
Too big. This is awkward, Papa.
Yeah, you were awkward, yeah. I know you're an awkward lady.
The chocolate bread. Because Ruth likes chocolate, everything chocolate. Everything with chocolate is good enough for him.
Chocolate is life.
And then the bigger loaves of bread that one slice. Makita na sa ganyan slice.
Chocolate is life, well.
Yeah, chocolate is life. And then main tart.
Yeah.
Tart.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Egg tart.
Yeah.
Eye tart. And filet American. American?
Yeah.
Why is this American? Okay.
Not American, American?
Yeah, it's just K-A-I-N.
Oh yeah, yeah, I don't know. Maybe special, yeah.
What's this? Oh, nagkuhan ko kuan. Brown sugar. Okay. I can't really easily find brown sugar in Yumbo. I haven't seen one.
Yeah, no, maybe she was really good, but...
Yeah, but anyway, ako i-move ang camera no kay maglisod si Rot og kanang kuan sa stuff kay ako ibutang sa ubos. You can hear my daughter from the background. Oh, you have kip ba? Kip kerstbo. Christmas nga cut, Christmas tree nga cut. So kip, the eye is chicken and then we have gas. If kuan na siya, naarami gamit para kuha sa cheese. Asa mo tanan dara di camera. Yeah, it's all done, Papa. This one. Para sa CR. Para di baho. Inig flush kay. Maagian siya sa tubig. And then we have trash bags. Oh, and then we have frozen vegetables. Ganahan ko ano niya kay naay ko ang broccoli. Groente panetje, buang. Groente panetje. How do you say it? Panetje. Panetje. Groente panetje.
Yeah, like vegetable pan.
Mong anak na nawag na nila. We have another filet American. How do you say American in Dutch way, buang? American. And then mayonnaise. Ooh. And the honey sauce.
Honey sauce, yeah?
Yeah, honey.
Yeah.
Nagsisiyag ito ko.
Yeah, we'll look at it.
Yeah,
Hey!
she's good. Oh, you have this one. I really like this one, bro. Yeah, I really like this one. Kuhaan siya, na biscuit, and then na ay, on top of it, na ay milk chocolate, white chocolate. And then crust. Of course, more chocolate for Ruth. Because chocolate is life. And then we have mushroom sauce. Champions sauce. More chocolate, of
Wait, the
course.
Christmas tree. Yeah.
You know what he does? He just directly puts these on the Christmas tree, and then every day he takes one and eat it straight away.
What do you want?
And I don't know. I mean, sorry. And then we still have one.
Yeah, but the one is already opened.
Whipped
that we
cream.
had. Yeah.
Woo, good. You know, chocolate.
Yeah,
More chocolate. Oh, and then I got Dubai jam. Dubai strawberry jam.
Yeah.
Ooh, I can't remember strawberry easily anymore, Papa. Then discuss katong mo siya triangle nga cheese. I really like it. The dessert is melting, Papa. Mocha and hazelnut. Ano siya? Amo siyang i-try lang naman. Share it. You wanna have it tonight, ba?
Which
Then
one?
more trash bags.
Plastic bags,
This
yeah.
one.
I can do it in the...
Do you wanna try it tonight? Woo! You left one.
Oh! Ooh.
It's important, Dudong. And then cheeseburger. Yeah, pero lami siya. It doesn't taste instant, Papa, no?
No,
It's really good.
Yeah.
So duha.
It's a little bit like McDonald's.
We
yeah,
don't
McDonald's
really.
is also instant, but...
Yeah, but we don't really eat cheeseburger a lot. Like.
Jollibee!
So, but I mean here.
Oh, here, no.
Not Jollibee. When we were in Cebu, you ate cheeseburger like almost every day.
Oh, every holiday.
I'm not a big fan of this one, but Ruth really likes it. Paprika chips. Oh, we already have hand wash, but diri na but upstairs. No, I mean in the toilet upstairs. Okay. And also darwa.
Yeah.
In the toilet there. Nami ka ng extra toilet sa gawas sa doon sa puntahan. And then his multivitamin drink. 1 liter ni Papa.
I think it's 1 liter.
1 liter? 1.5. Ooh. And then another one. Same flavor, yeah. Kaligri po dahil ano mag-kuan. Muratag correct, no? Toothpaste. Manigamit naman toothpaste sa balay. Prodent.
Yes, toothpaste.
Yeah. Manigamit. Manipariton per minirut. This is what he always buys. And then cookies. It's also good. Lami siya. Lekker.
Somebody built two times.
Somebody wants to join the hall. The hall.
Hey.
Hi. Love. Dali, Bi. Hali ka, Bi. Lingkod, Bi. Hali. Kiss ko. You wanna join, Anna? And then, this is for 5 euro pa.
I think, yeah.
It's my size. Para Christmas. I'm gonna wear this on Christmas Day, Dodo.
Yeah, that's good. We
First,
have two Christmas
first
days.
Christmas Day, 5 and 20, 25.
Yeah.
And 26, what do we do?
Eat. Yeah, that's Christmas eating.
Why did I ask? We have another multivitamin drink. This is natural, Dodo.
No, I don't know, but it's fresh one. That one.
Okay, met suiker.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Oh, with sugar.
Sure.
This is not healthy then.
Of course not.
Oh, haven't seen this one. Oh,
Chocolademelk.
I thought it's chocomel.
Yeah, chocomel. But
Chocomel?
This is one from Lidl.
Okay, but looks like Chucky. Like in the Filipino, we have Chucky. But yeah, I need to Put more milk in it of
Yeah,
need?
it's already milk with chocolate. You just
Okay.
can warm it up. Or
Oh.
you drink it like that.
Yeah, or I can put
Only whipped cream.
whipped cream.
Yeah.
Lekker. And then more toothpaste. So this is a different one, Papa.
Yeah.
Dentalux.
Yeah.
Dentalux.
Yeah.
Dentalux. If he says it, he would say lux.
Looks, yeah.
And then, oh, I won't show this one. The card. We're giving a card to somebody. Then we have, how many did you get, Mom? 2. 5 of this one. This is 1 liter.
5. No, 2 of that one. This one is different ones.
1 liter. Yeah,
This-
but
See, that's full one. This half full one.
this lasts us like 2 days. 2?
By
3?
us,
Yeah.
if you drink it.
Yeah, 3,
At least
both
2
of
days,
us.
2 days.
Every morning we have a glass of milk, both of us. And then this one too. Like I saw in the Filipina group, in the moms group, I think somebody posted this one. We can feed Anna this one after a year.
Okay. You okay with that, Anna?
After a year,
Yeah.
or when she's over a year old.
Okay.
This one. This one's really nice too. And then for Ruth's lunch, elke dag, every day, tomato soup. Tomato soup with met soepbollen with
Meatballs.
meatballs and vermicelli.
Yeah.
Ano siya, ang lunch niya every day. But this is for 2 bowls.
Yeah, 2 good balls.
Yeah. So if sometimes his father comes here or his mom, so they have it here too for lunch. And he pairs it with apple or brood
Yeah.
toasty or just brood or worstenbroodjes. And paper towel. How do you call it, ba?
Keukenrol.
Keuken.
Yeah, like,
Kitchen towel.
Yeah.
Like,
So, like kitchen
yeah,
towel.
paper towel. Keuken means kitchen. I think that's all, ba? Yeah, that's all
Yeah.
we got. So, Ruth goes to Lidl once a month. Once a month, bang, no?
Yeah, now more. When I was alone, once a month.
When he was alone, once a month.
Yeah, and then once a week to another supermarket.
Yeah, that klopt. So when he buys lots of stuff at once, then he goes to Lidl because he said better kono ang quality there. I'm not sure if other moms or other Filipinos in the Netherlands, in Nederland, lab lab, Anna, inside the heart. Yeah, so and then Ruth buys meat or some broad sa Jumbo. That's another supermarket. So if we go there, like if we do another boodschappen or grocery shopping, then maybe I'll go with Ruth and then maybe vlog there. Pero it's a little bit embarrassing but still to vlog. Yeah, it's a little bit embarrassing, Papa, when I vlog.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I mean in the supermarket.
Yeah, we don't, in Nederland we don't have that much vloggers like this.
Yeah. Yeah, but they don't care anyway. Kanang ulaw lang, medyo ulaw. But yeah, I think that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, if ever you come to the Netherlands or like go grocery shopping, do you recommend Lidl, Papa?
Yeah, Lidl is cheap and good price. Good price and good quality.
Yeah, in the Netherlands, Ruth said if you go grocery shopping, it's not that expensive, Buang, no?
No.
You said?
Lidl is cheap and good quality.
Yeah, but I think if we were in the Philippines or in the Philippines and we bought as much as what we bought tonight, I think it would be over, I don't know, 4,000, Papa? 4,000 of Vive. Yeah, I think. So, murag, para nako, baratuhan ko diri kung mag-grocery. Kung magluto ka sa balay, okay ra. Pero, I haven't really gone outside or like, kay close man ang restaurants diri o cafes or cafeteria. Like, we can't dine in. So, I haven't really gone to a restaurant like adto mag meal. But ingon si Ruth kay very expensive daw. So yeah. But anyways, if you happen to go to Lidl, yeah, enjoy shopping. Anna, come here. Let's end the video. She sleeping?
No.
Oh.
I tried to get her to sleep.
So yeah, anyway ning uban si Ana dito pag ato na mo dito. Yeah, so yeah. Say bye-bye Ana. Bye-bye na. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Babush. Babush papa.
Babush mush mush.
Babush mush mush.
Babush mush mush.
Babush mush mush.